Hi, this video is going to show you how to get the mean for both of your populations. So if you are at this part, then make sure that you explain your graphs. Also make sure that you put your question in here, and then on your end it'll say population 1 and population 2. Go ahead and change your two populations. So mine is adults and kids. So we are going to just calculate the mean. I will do the other median mode, mean absolute deviation, and IQR in other videos. That way it's just easier for you. So we're going to do the mean first. So for this, what you need is your data. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to get to pull your data up and then come back. All right, so for the data, remember it needs to be sorted by your two populations. So if you haven't sorted yet, remember that you can sort by clicking this and going to data, sort range, advanced sorting, range columns. Make sure that you are clicking your populations. Now it's sorted by populations if you haven't already. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have a row that splits your one population, so my adults from my kids. So I'm going to click on this row here. That's the separator row. And I'm going to right click, and depending on if you need your row to go above or below, so I need mine to go above, I'm going to right click and then click insert one row above, and that way it's split, and that way I can get my information. So to get my mean, I want to have, and these numbers do not have to be in order, but in order to get my mean, I need to highlight all of these. So highlight every single one just for your one population. So I'm highlighting mine all for my adults. So once it's highlighted, then if your functions button that looks like an E, it's a sum button. If it's not here, then you probably have 3 dots, and then you'll click that, and then you can click this. Okay? To get that, you're going to click average. That's going to give you your average there. Okay, and then my average here is 0.65. Now, there's another way you can do it, and I want to show you the other way if you're having trouble finding this. So if you want to type in equal sign, AVER, average, open parentheses, put your first value in, and my first value is D2. So figure out whatever your first value is, whichever one is going to be right here. So my first value is D2, and then you're going to put the colon, the one that's the dot dot, and then whatever your bottom value is, it's going to be the range of all those. So D98, D98, okay? And then you'll notice it's the exact same number. So 0.65 is my mean, which means that if you're looking at my question, how many days a week do you eat Pop-Tarts? Adults average less than 1 day a week. And that makes sense. Okay, so then I'm going to do the same thing for the kids. I'm going to scroll here. I'm going to either highlight all of them. Whoopsie. Let me try it again. Highlight all my numbers. So I'm going to only highlight here, and then I can hit sum, this button right here, and then I'm going to click average. And there it is, which is 2.03 or 2.0. And again, if you don't want to do that, you want to click AV average, AVER, AGE. And then I'm going to go D, what was the top, the kids? The first kids was D100. So I'm going to do D100, D100, and then colon, and then 204 is the last one, D204. So either one of those ways work and gets you the same number. So you can do it either way. All right, and then you're going to go put it over here, 2.03. So the average kid eats Pop-Tarts 2 days a week approximately. So I hope this video helps. You can watch the next video on how to get the mean, and then we'll go from there. Bye. Have a great day.